I'm going to attempt to do 3 things today. 3. Uno, dos, tres. Here we go. Number 1. I'm going to jump on the scooter and get some tracking shots.
Medium. Close.
Let's go far.
Left.
Do your thing.
Slow. 3,
2, 1. Not bad. I think we're good to go. I'm just gonna throw the drone up. Like, I'm not even gonna bother with doing anything with my phone or controller or nothing. I just want to see how fast and versatile this thing is to get up in the air and get going and just track me as I'm riding. Then I'm going over there. Can you see all the way over there? That's the globe. Probably can't see it from here, but the globe is over there. So I'm gonna go with the globe over there. I'm gonna use the regular controller and try to get some cinematic shots, right? Now, bear in mind, you could use this controller or the RC3 and get some smooth cinematic shots. Then, when I'm done, I don't know if you could see the observatory all the way out there, but the observatory's on the construction. I've got my goggles, FPV goggles, FPV controller. I'm gonna slam this bad boy, this Neo 2, into manual mode, and then I'm gonna try and dive it. So the whole goal or the purpose of today's video is to, well, test my inclination that this might be the best drone DJI has ever made. Like, this is a triple threat, basically. Let's get to the first site over there. Let's see if it'll track me all the way there. No controller, no nothing. And then let's see if we can get some cinematic shots. It's up there. Can you see it? Try to show you. It's following me. Pretty nice. I don't know if you could see it, but it's doing a good job. Doing a darn good job. Wow. Wow, hit a branch there. Did you see that? Let's bring it out a little bit. So come on the other side. Wow, just clipped a branch. Didn't seem to mind. It's still following me. Still coming. Take it easy. Da 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 da. We're at the globe. Can you guys see the globe? Look at the beautiful globe. Come on, baby. Come on back. Nice. Line's right in your hand. How about that? No controller, nothing necessary. I know I can use my phone and just tap while it's mounted on the... And if you look back at all of my other videos, when I've been filming like my e-bike videos and stuff, you'll see that when the Mini 4 Pro was tracking me, I always had a string around me with my controller hanging. And that would so annoy me. Like, why do I need to fetch a controller around my neck or find a mount for a controller here? You know, just put it to the phone and then allow the Mini 4 Pro to track via phone, but they would never do that. But to see them do it here, like, I didn't even use a phone. Now to know I could actually hook it up to my phone and change the angles, it's just so convenient. And then, you know, the way you just put your hands out and lands, look, I'm impressed. I am impressed. I am very impressed. But nevertheless, we've got a job to do. Let's get some nice cinematic footage. Well, as cinematic as we can get. It's kind of gloomy and whatever. I still have like 2.5 bars out of 4 blinking from that tracking. So let's see what this thing can do. I will put it in 4K 30. You can shoot manual or you can shoot auto. So you can shoot any one of the two. Do -3 on the exposure. I don't like my footage too bright. Let's fire it up and see what it can do. There you go. It's hovering. Put it in normal mode. I've got full obstacle avoidance now, as you can see. And let's just take it for a flight. There we go. Let's see if we can get some cinematic shots out of this. I'll hit record. The beauty of just flying with full obstacle avoidance, knowing you have that, is just a blessing. I don't see anything that says not cinematic. I don't see any massive disadvantage of having a 2-axis instead of a 3-axis gimbal. It's pretty smooth. The gimbal looks down and up just like any normal gimbal. Look at that. I've got to see if the gimbal settings can be adjusted because I can tell that gimbal was just rash. Gain and Expo. Oh yeah, you can adjust everything. You can even adjust your gimbal smoothness. So smoothness, let's bring it up to 30. And tilt speed, let's bring it down to like 17. Let's go down to 5. Oh, much smoother and cinematic. Look at that, it's just like a cinematic drone. Don't ask me where the kid came from, he just showed up. All right, he's just watching. We definitely need to work on this yaw. Let me see if I can work on this yaw as well. The yaw angle, maximum velocity. When pushing the yaw stick, let's go reduce the yaw speed. This is insane. This is just like having a cinematic drone. Lower that speed. Let's see that. A lot better on the yaw now. A lot better on the yaw. All right, got 29% battery. Still got a lot. Let's see if we could get some shots. This, I can't tell the difference if I'm flying with a Mini, if I'm flying with a Mavic. Unless the wind picks up, that's the only way. The footage looks good. You could fly just like a regular drone, the same way you would in your Mini 4 Pro or your Mavic 4 Pro. Like, there is no difference. I don't even have my antennas up. I should pull them up. But I'm not worried because it's got that module with the antennas in the back, which basically gives this drone OcuSync. I mean, now it is an OcuSync drone with that antenna in the back. And the wind is picking up. I mean, it's really windy here. I'll show you the wind in a little bit, but I mean, this thing is fighting the wind with its little 2-axis gimbal, with its 360 obstacle avoidance. As you can see here, you're seeing just what I'm seeing. I think it's handling it like a champ. Damn, this drone is so small. This whole thing is unbelievable. Freaking believable. Let's go. I won't say it's one of these drones you want to like fly for half an hour or 45 minutes. Just doesn't have that battery life. But to get the shots that you need, it doesn't take that long. The batteries don't take that long to charge either, even if you're constantly swapping out batteries. And you don't want to fly too far with a small drone. Anyway, it's small, it's convenient, but the wind could pick up on you 30 miles an hour, and then, you don't want to be too far away. Here we go. Here it is. The dive bomber. This is just insane. But still got half battery left, so let's see what we can get out of this. FPV is something, especially manual, that you don't want to do when your hands are cold. And right now my hands are cold, and I'm not gonna lie. I've got to go to the bathroom, but I'm not trying to go home or go to the bathroom here. So I'm just gonna try to get this shot before I leave and go home. It's really getting colder and colder. I'm like on the fence as to whether I should take off these guards or not, because I know they add more weight, and I'll probably get a better dive without these guards on. Part of me is like, with this risk I'm taking, I should dump the footage onto my laptop or phone, but who's got time for that? You only live once. Let's try this dive. You don't have to start in put up my antennas. Flying like a normal drone, which I'm gonna do, and then switch it to manual mode. It's a sports mode. I don't know why it's a sports mode. All right, I gotta go into my settings. Go into control, remote control, and change this from sport mode to manual mode. Yep, confirm. We're in manual mode. Let's go to gain and Expo. Yep, no attitude mode. You don't want any limitations on there. My fingers are freezing, but I'm going up in manual anyway, because, well, wow, I'm at gimbal mode 28. I'm gonna climb and climb. Oh gosh, I'm scared as heck. There we go. And then just dive it. Nice. Okay. Nice. Got an FPV shot. That low battery. Let's go diving, baby. Let's go diving. I think I would get way better results if I were to take off these prop guards and way more control, but I'm gonna save that for another day. I'm freezing. This is just like my first test and mission with this drone. Not everything is about the dive, but the nice, smooth, cinematic FPV footage that you can get from this. Nice, let's go between the cracks. Nice. Now, can we do loops and stuff? That would be interesting to see. That's me. Whoo, smack the ground. Looks like it didn't like that. Clearly something happened here. Check this out. Twig got stuck in there. And that apparently was what was messing it up. So in theory, we should be fine now to do our dive. So this is gonna be my last effort. And let's see what happens. I think I crashed in manual, and when I try to flip it to normal to kind of stabilize it, I think the whole crash messed up the normal mode. So the best thing to do is probably just keep flying the thing in manual. I mean, this thing is taking a beating. It just seems fine. I mean, this poor guy's probably like, why me? Why did you have to get me? Well, because it's my job to test you, buddy. Okay, I lost a little piece here in front. I feel like there's a little plastic piece in front that flew off. See here? I lost a little plastic piece in front here, but not a big deal. I mean, that's like a little plastic protector. And yeah, I need to get back on my manual game. I definitely have not flown manual in a while. And I think this camera angle was a little too aggressive. That way I could climb and dive the building. But once I came down from the dive, I should have reset my camera angle. And oh, look at the top here. Just little pieces broken here. Nothing some super glue can't fix. But if I did take this off, I guess I would have damaged the propellers. Not really. The propeller's damaged regardless. Look, I lost one. The third leg's out here is missing. So it did come with extra props. I'll change that out. But I guess that means my flying is done for now. The obstacle sensor's fine. This one's protected. Got a little bruise here, a little scratch. Antennas are fine. They got mud in the holes, but it did rain a couple days ago, so the earth is moist. But that's it. I think I came out pretty unscathed and got all my footage. So I'm just gonna go home and use the bathroom because that's what I was rushing for. So yeah, let's transport ourselves. All right, back in the studio, quick update for you guys. So I did fix the propeller. I don't remember which one it was, but I fixed it up, put the crack in the cage that was at the top here. I put some crazy glue on it. This piece in front, I haven't looked for it. I don't even know if it's available for purchase, but I really don't care because I flew it indoors. Actually, that's one of the things this drone is great for, indoor flying. The camera is very good, as you can see from this footage I took, and it flies great and works great after all the crashes. So this thing is definitely durable. Right now, this is absolutely my favorite drone. Sometimes it's not the best camera, but it's the drone or the camera that you have with you. And this is certainly a drone that you want with you, as you probably know by now watching this video, that can pretty much do it all. Yes, the downside is the battery life, but once you can get past that, focus on the shots, keep your batteries charged, and you can keep cycling batteries and getting the shots that you want. Obviously, if you're just flying for fun and you want long flight times, then that's something different. You have to look into another drone. But if you're looking to capture indoor shots, tracking shots, GPS shots, FPV cinematic shots, I won't do dives with it. I will do cinematic shots. This is an absolute beast of a drone, providing you have these antennas in the back. More to come on this drone later. This is not a complete review. It's actually just my first flight and my thoughts, and you guys see it in real time. Do me a favor, give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I release new videos. Also think about becoming a Patreon. It's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year. And you get direct access to me. It's like sending me a text message straight to my phone. Link for everything is in the description below. Also check out my website, www.dronexfactor.com. There you can find LUTs to enhance your footage, more so for cine-like and D-Log footage, but you can also perk up this footage as well if you want, or switch up the colors a little bit if you like. While you're there, grab a t-shirt, and it's a great way to support this channel and to keep the content rolling. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this flight test, what you guys think of this drone, and let me know what you want to see in the next video. With that being said, I've got to run, and I will see you guys, well, whenever I can.